It is possible to attach files to the notification email, but you do need the right license as this feature is offered for an additional charge. There are 3 options, and they are all found by clicking on the Attachments button in the Notify Command Message tab. Please note that whichever option or options you choose, there's a maximum limit of 3 attachments with a combined size of 8 megabytes. The first and most common option, Insert, will allow you to select file attachment objects from the form. If any files are attached to those objects, they will also be attached to the notification email. The second option, Print, will allow you to select a page of the form. A PDF copy of that page will then be attached to the notification email. The third option, Existing Instance, will attach a PDF copy of another existing form instance where the other form instance's meta link is stored in a field on the form. Please be aware that this feature is offered for an additional charge. Contact the sales team for more details on sales@perfectforms.com.